I've had a kid who was 12 years old actually ask me on my Instagram, how can I make some money online? I'm gonna give you guys a couple ways you guys can make some money. This is only from personal experience. I've made like $100, $200, $50, thousands of dollars using Craigslist and just flipping random free stuff on there, or buying stuff for like really cheap, like furniture, you know, like desks, like this piano right here. Actually, yesterday, my little cousin, she's always coming to my house, and I noticed that she wants to make some money because she wanted to get an iPhone X, right? That's what she had told me. So she's trying to get some money to get an iPhone X. The iPhone X costs like $1,000, I believe. One of the things that she's doing right now to get some money is recycling water bottles and cans. She took the initiative into asking me, hey, can I have your cans? So what I told her to do was to do this. Go to your neighbors and literally just ask them for their cans and water bottles. And she told me this, but what if they're mean? She's literally like a 12-year-old girl. She's like, what if they're mean? What if they don't want to give me the water bottle? Well, the thing is, like, you won't know unless you go and ask, right? So that's one way, collect water bottles. Another way right now as a young 16-year-old, 15-year-old is social media marketing. Social media marketing is going crazy right now with a whole bunch of older people that don't know how to use Instagram, that don't know how to use Facebook, that just literally don't know how to create content. You as a 15-year-old, you as a 13-year-old can literally just go up to these people and tell them, hey, I've been on Instagram for this amount of time. Look what I'm doing. This is the type of videos that I'm making. You know, I can help you create content on social media. Or if you know how to do other things like, you know, Facebook ads or any type of marketing or advertisement, people will pay you hundreds of dollars to do that service a month, right? So most of these social media agencies charge a monthly fee for them to do some type of service. So if you get one client and you charge them, let's say $500 a month, that's $500 extra dollars a month as a 13-year-old for creating content like a real estate agent, just taking pictures for him, making videos with him, making videos for him, right? You can go to your local barber and tell him, hey, I noticed you don't have an Instagram page. Look, IGTV is booming right now. I can make you videos. I can take pictures for you. I can help you get more people in here, because that's the whole point, getting people to your business. So as a 13-year-old, it's really easy to pitch to these big businesses or small businesses because they know that you being young, you know a lot about social media. A lot of these kids nowadays know way more about social media than maybe their parents or grandparents. And that leads me on to my next way of making money, affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's just this. You're selling something, but it's not yours. It's someone else's product or someone else's course or someone else's program. So for example, Ty Lopez. I know you guys know who this guy is. Ty Lopez is always running ads for his social media marketing agency, and he actually has affiliates for that, like myself. Or if you want to do this, you can literally sell his course, and all you have to do is bring people to his site. So you'll get paid commission, residual income every single month just by selling someone else's product or someone else's course. You can literally make hundreds of dollars a day just by sending people to Ty Lopez. The more people you send to him, the more money you'll make. You get paid off of commission, so you're gonna be making a percentage off of each sale. So that, as a 16, 15-year-old, just imagine making $100 a day. So that is a big opportunity. You can take advantage right now. Take advantage, full advantage of this right now. Some other ways you guys can make some money is literally just like this. Some of you guys might have already thought about this, but it's just about taking action. Something as simple as lawn mowing. Go to your neighbors and ask them, can I mow your lawn? Charge them $50, $70, $25. As long as you're providing a service they need, they're gonna pay you, right? You can literally knock on your neighbor's door and be like, hey, can I wash your car? They're gonna give you $15, $20. And most of the time, they're gonna give you a little extra money because they notice a young person hustling. I wanna see young people win. Other people might wanna see you win, because it's just like, damn, look at this 12-year-old kid hustling, trying to get his money. So lawn mowing, Craigslist flipping. If you know how to cut hair, right, you can charge your friends to cut their hair, $10, $5, $20. If you're a girl, you can literally charge your girlfriends to do their makeup, $5, $10. Like, you already do this yourself. To do people's hair, I know that's a big one right now. So if you know how to do hair, you can charge people for big occasions like weddings, quinceañeras, birthday parties, prom. Another way is just, and this is probably one of the biggest ways, is to become a personal personal brand and grow yourself as a business. Giving people value over the internet, like maybe like I'm doing right now. Myself, I have a social media marketing agency. If I provide value to you guys and I grow my social presence as a personal brand, I'm gonna get more clients because it's all about who you know. Network is probably the key. I've probably made a lot of my money just from knowing the right type of people. These are just some ways that I make money, but currently I'm doing a lot of drop shipping. So if you guys want more videos on how I drop ship, how I do certain things to make money in Shopify, using Shopify, let me know down below and I'll make more videos because that's what I'm trying to focus in right now and scale up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. I reply to all my DMs.